Hello, Year 8. Welcome to Mr. Chen Science again. How are you guys? So, today in science, we will be looking at energy transfer and also we will look at some useful and wasted energy. So, let's begin. The objective for this lesson will be understand that energy can be passed from one object to another in different form too. Okay, so three keywords that you need to know: transfer energy, energy transformation, energy flow diagram. Actually, we'll add two more: um, useful energy and wasted energy. I will actually explain the definition of all of this in a sec. So yes, as we know, energy doesn't stay at the same. However, most of the time they actually will transfer from one form to another. Okay, uh, they do it pretty constantly. As we know, there are many different type of energy: kinetic energy, heat energy, sound energy, potential energy, and light energy. In potential energy, we have four more, which is gravitational, elastic, uh, um, what else? Nuclear, and one more chemical potential energy. Okay, so energy change can happen one at a time. However, sometimes there can be multiple energy change happen at once. Okay, at once. For example, knock a glass off a table. When you knock a glass off the table, uh, let's look at the energy transformation chart. Uh, this is how you should do it. So first, you're gonna have to look at the action. So it first begin with uh, glass resting on table has gravitational potential energy to begin with. Okay, because it is gravitational potential energy. Okay, I ran out of space, so you might need to actually leave a bit more space compared to mine. So, uh, when you when you place your glass on top of the table, it already store enough gravitational energy that if it accidentally slip off the table, it's gonna move down. When it moves down, glass fall, right? So when glass fall, we have kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy is further transformed again into. I want you to have a think. What happened after uh, it hits the ground? So the moment it hits the ground, now, it will transfer from kinetic into kinetic still, just because the glass actually breaks and move all over the place. Okay, but at the same time, there are two more other things, which is sound energy, because it the breaking sound energy, and also you have the heat energy. Okay, because it hits the ground, it creates friction with the ground. You might not feel the heat, but it is there. Okay, plus heat energy. So this is what I call, from here to here, this section is what I call the energy transformation chart. Okay, energy transformation chart. So here you go. This is the first part of the lesson, and The second part of the lesson is we're going to talk about the useful and waste energy. As you know, energy, according to law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be transferred or uh, destroyed, cannot be created or destroyed, sorry. And however, it will only change from one form to another, right? So that means if you put 100% energy in, you will have 100% energy out. There will always be some waste energy. Okay, what we define waste energy is energy that is unnecessary, that has been transformed into. So I'm going to give you an example here. Okay, and most of the energy actually that are considered as waste energy is heat and sound energy. They don't actually serve many purposes. That's why they are not useful. Okay, waste energy. Example is using when you use an electric toothbrush, for example. When you use your electric toothbrush, the thing needed to start the electric brush actually is electrical energy, right? So when you use an electrical energy, use the toothbrush, when you start it, it moves, okay, which is your kinetic energy, and that is the useful energy to brush your teeth. But at the same time, it also produces waste energy, which is heat and sound. Two of these is not necessary, as in like they don't actually serve a purpose. That's why we call them uh, waste energy. But sound energy, however, it depends on situation. Sound energy might not be uh, wasted if it is if it is on TV. Okay, so on TV, useful and you put in initial energy will be electric energy. Okay, and useful energy here will be guess what? What are the useful energy? It is the light energy because it gives you your image of the TV, and also sound. Both are useful. Okay, in this case, that means energy, sound energy is actually useful. But what is the wasted energy would be? Wasted energy would be, you guessed it, it is the heat energy. Okay, uh, did you know that this heat energy and the pretty much the wasted energy, they actually causes you causes more to run, as in like money wise. So your TV, if there is no heat energy produced at all, it mean your TV will be a lot cheaper to run, as in like electricity wise. You don't have to use as much electricity to generate the same amount of output as required. Okay, so it is that's why it is not good. Okay, so things like that's why they have this thing called like 5-star energy rating. So if you buy fridge and stuff, or even in some of the car are more energy efficient than the other. Okay, so you just need to shop around and find out which one actually convert most of the useful initial energy into the useful energy. So it is quite a simple topic, energy transfers, and I hope you actually learned something. And thanks for watching. Please make sure you write your notes and ask me any question below or in our lesson. And good luck to you. Thank you. Ciao.